So really you ain't gonna hit me back, yeah. Now it's all just you got me on blast, damn. You're over it, I've been done. We're so toxic, can't get enough. Ooh, I'll go and say it like a mantra. You know what you want, do ya? Oh, hell no, I don't play.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a summer makeup tutorial. So I've already done my base makeup like skin prep and my eyebrows off the camera. And I'm starting with LA Girl Pro Concealer in pure beige. This is to just hide my dark circles and discoloration around my eyes. I've also applied it on my eyelid, which will provide a really good base for my eyeshadow. So I'm just taking a flat foundation brush and just dabbing in the concealer. So you need to spread the concealer all around your under eye area, and you need to spread it until the end of your face, like towards spreading it towards your ears. So I'm also evenly spreading it all over my lid. Applying a concealer on your eyelid, make sure that your eyeshadow color pops out really nicely, and also the eyeshadow will not fall out. It will stick on your eyelid for many hours. After that, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution X Petra eyeshadow palette and have selected a shade No Filter to just set my eyelid base. Make sure to apply it properly all over your eyelid. Now going in with shade Gossip with Sigma E40 blending brush to apply it as my transition shade, and then just blend it softly into my crease. Make sure that you are not going above the crease, and take your time to build the color and blend until no harsh line appears. I absolutely love Sigma makeup brushes, and I recently purchased this Sigma E40 blending brush, and this has made the blending task so much easier, and it blends your eyeshadow like a pro. It has made blending so effortless, and it makes sure to pick the right amount of eyeshadow whatever you need. Just make sure to hold your eyeshadow brush with the slightest amount of pressure and you are good to go. Did the same on my other eye off the camera. Now I'm taking my Blue Heaven Cosmetics signature matte eyeshadow palette and have selected sky blue color to pack it on my eyelid, not going above that. So just take a tapered brush and pack the blue color until you reach the desired intensity of the blue color. Now with the help of my Pro Arte pencil brush, I have selected a dark blue shade to apply it on my upper waterline, very close to my upper waterline, to just intensify my upper waterline. And I'm doing exactly the same onto the other eyes. This will make sure to pop out your upper waterline. Again, I'm going in with Sigma blending brush and blending the edges of both the eyeshadows to dissolve any harsh line. With the help of Pro Arte pencil brush, I'm dipping the brush into shade Gossip from my Petra X Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette and applying it below my lower waterline. So I'm just applying the Gossip shade and smoking it out. So doing the same in the other eyes and making sure that it looks even. After that, I'm taking this glitter eyeliner from Chambord Geneva Cosmetics and applying it all over my eyelid to add pop of color and to brighten the intensity of blue shade. Sorry guys, I'm using this eyeliner as my eyeshadow because I do not have any glitter blue eyeshadow. So I thought to just act creative and use this eyeliner. And this eyeliner is really beautiful. It has very intense blue color and also it has few glitter particles, so it looks really gorgeous once you apply it on your eyes. Now take a smaller blending brush and just blend out the harsh edges of the blue eyeshadow with the Gossip eyeshadow. Now I'm taking Maybelline Colossal Liner and applying a winged eyeliner. After that, to complete the eye look, I am applying some mascara to my upper and lower lash line. I'm using Lash Sensational mascara because it really curls your eyelashes, which will provide a good base for your falsies, and also it gives you a nice length and volume to your eyelashes. So apply it generously on your upper and lower lashes. Once done applying mascara, I am putting my false eyelashes by PAC, which is in number M73. No look is complete without a blush, and I'm sucker for it. So going in with my Bellaprey Mineral Blush, which is such a gorgeous blush and it has a nice, warm coral touch. So once you apply it on your cheeks, it gives you a flush of coral color, and also it will provide a warmth all over your face and just kind of connect the entire look. So I'm applying a generous amount on apple of my eyes, connecting it with the bridge of my nose. After that, I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution Cheek and Glow palette, and I've selected the lightest shade to apply it as my highlighter and applying it at the high point of my cheeks. Also will be applying on the bridge of my nose, on my eyebrows and also on my forehead. This highlighter is so gorgeous and just slightest amount will give you a subtle glow. Now for the lips, I have selected my PAC Lip Crayon Pencil in shade Irresistible. I'm going to first line my lips with the help of this pencil. So I'm lining the upper and lower lip line. After that, I'll fill my entire lips with the same pencil. After applying this lip shade, I feel that it is not entirely connected with my eye makeup. Once I'm done applying this lip shade, I'm going to tone it down with the help of my Sephora Liquid Lip Satin in shade Pink Nude, and now I can feel that it is entirely connected with the eyeshadow color, and I'm kind of liking the connection, and I feel that now the look is complete. So finally the look is complete, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this summer makeup tutorial, and I'm kind of loving how the eye makeup turned out. I thought to give this makeup look a new twist, so I quickly changed into ethnic outfit and put on some Chand Bali, and I feel that this look makes much more sense in ethnic wear, and this makeup look is absolutely looking stunning with this ethnic suit and the Chand Bali, and I'm kind of loving it. So guys, do let me know in the comment section down below which of the look you like more, the ethnic one or the western one. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys super soon in my next video.